What is up, guys? I'm here back. So today we're going to be teaming up with Carbon Fiber Ethics. They sent me a pair of spacers. Honestly, great people, great company. And we're going to be doing an installation video for you guys today. So if you're excited for that, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And let's hop right into the video.
It's not getting deleted.
Anyways,
Let's do it for that.
we're also going to be putting this motor into Ahmad's E30. These are 20 millimeter. Big shout out to Carbon Fiber Ethics for sending me these. Great company, great team. I'm really excited to make this video. So without any further ado, let's hop into it. So you're only gonna need two things for this install: thread locker and brake cleaner. If you don't have it already, go buy some like me. Honestly, guys, this spacer company is really underrated and they have some amazing quality spacers. These are their billet aluminum anodized wheel spacers, and they provide the same performance and quality such as the bigger brand spacer companies or manufacturing companies. So initially I wasn't going to buy spacers for my build, but after seeing a few other builds, I really wanted to get that OEM Plus look, and I feel like it would have been really easily achievable if I kept the stock rims with a good set of spacers. Also, if you're on a budget, these are a really good option as they provide the same level of performance as the bigger brands, but they're not too costly. They're priced reasonably. I'm pretty much going to be showing you guys how to install spacers step by step properly. And the reason I'm making this installation, guys, because if you install these incorrectly, you will have a bad time. Your wheel might blow up, it might come off, something bad might happen. So first step, obviously break the lug nuts. Second step, jack your car up. Third thing you're going to want to make sure you have is a wire brush or a drill with a wire brush extension and your brake cleaner to clean your interior rotor or your hub. Make sure you're cleaning around the hub ring, making sure you get any dirt and old rust off the car before you put the spacers on. That way they don't fuse in the future when you try and take them off. Test fit, and you're going to want to use anti-seize around the hub ring to make sure that it doesn't seize up. That way it doesn't stick on the car next time you try and take the spacer off. Very important you do this just to save yourself the hassle in the future. You're going to want to get your thread locker and put thread locker on all the studs. Do this to make sure the spacer nuts are tightly secured, because we're not taking off the spacer nuts quite as often, so it's important to make sure they're nice and tight. Next, you're going to want to get the spacer nuts on there, and then you're going to want to torque them down to your recommended torque spec, which for me was 84 foot-pounds. And honestly, guys, it's super simple. It's really that easy. Again, I apologize for my monotone voice, but put that wheel on. Let's take a look. Yeah, look. Holy shit, bruh. And I got no rubbing at all. I've been driving the car for about 3 days now and I have not rubbed once. I'm honestly in love with the appearance of my car now. And it makes the OEM Plus look just like complete. But yeah, check out Carbon Fiber Ethics on Instagram. I'm gonna leave a link to their Instagram in the description. Check me out, speedhub.ca on Instagram also. We just hit 10K. Thank you guys so much for that. And if you guys want anything from Carbon Fiber Ethics, shoot them a DM on Instagram. They're really fast with replying, and they honestly have some great quality stuff. My Fitment looks crazy. Get some spacers for your car. If you want to get that OEM Plus look, or you just have really nice rims and you can't get the Fitment right, get some spacers. Link in the description. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. It's gonna be a good one. Cheers.